During the first few minutes, I thought hindi ko matatapos yung jog ko this morning. So what I did, tinuloy ko lang yung relax jog, kept on running, kept on jogging, and then eventually natapos ko, no? I finished my usual 5-kilometer routine. So you might ask what kept me going, even my konting leg cramps na nafe-feel na. Well, it's just that I wanted to be exposed sa sunlight because I very much know that it's very good para sa health nating lahat. So get up. A few minutes of being exposed directly sa sunlight will give you health benefits in the long run. And also, thank you nga pala sa sponsor. Hindi ako sisipagin ngayon tumakbo kung wala akong sapatos. The shoes is so light, comfortable, ang lambot sa paa. Sarap itakbo.